Good morning, folks. This is Naim Azam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel. In this video and in these segments, we're really trying to help you guys to become a better trader. So, as always, a bit of a disclaimer: anything which we'll be discussing in this video cannot be perceived as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. Now, before I go and then start talking about Tesla and Bitcoin and what they have done, it is important for us to have a look at GameStop, because that company came up with its earning reports yesterday and nothing was really good in that report. So from a fundamental perspective, it is very clear that GameStop has no fundamentals literally supporting it, because we don't see a revenue and then we don't really see the business growth from that perspective. So yesterday in the after hour markets, we saw the GameStop stock falling quite a lot, and even today in the pre-market, I am seeing that the shares trading to the downside. So these expectations are very much going to lead us to believe, they're already leading us to believe that the GameStop stock price is going to open lower when the US stock market will open. Now, as for Tesla and Bitcoin, of course, a major news came out earlier today where Elon Musk has decided that he is okay for people to pay Bitcoin and then they can buy Tesla. Now, that really means that one Bitcoin can easily buy one Tesla now. So that is pretty much that we are really talking about, especially the smaller models of Tesla. So this is really incredible. Now, the question really is, are we going to see this from Volkswagen or many other electric companies? Especially Volkswagen is right leading this forefront. So that will be very intriguing element to see it. Now, in terms of our markets, what we're really seeing is a lot of economic data hitting the tape. Now, what sort of economic data came out earlier today? We had a German manufacturing and services and manufacturing PMI number. Both of them have come much stronger than what the market was anticipating. So obviously this has helped the euro against the dollar to move higher, and of course euro against the sterling as well. So that has also taken to the upside. But just a few minutes ago, we also had UK's manufacturing and services PMI number coming out as well. And what we have seen over there is again the consistency of the same message, which tells us that yes, things are improving, the momentum has picked up, and given the fact that more people are getting vaccine, we are only going to move in the positive direction when it really comes to Bitcoin, when it comes to the market and economic growth. So that is certainly very positive in this space. What else are we seeing? We're looking at oil prices, which are somewhat finding a little bit some balanced approach, because yesterday the oil prices really plunged over 6%, and I'm speaking of course both for crude and Brent prices. Today we are seeing some stability in those prices, but the concern really is around that the supply, which increased because oil prices reached a level of 70 and 70 plus. So of course it was very much given that we were going to see that increase in oil supply from the US side, and that is what we have seen in the market. And of course now the supply and demand equation is very much out of whack. That is leading to the prices to move to the downside. Now, of course, the number which really matters the most when it comes to crude oil price is the crude inventory data, which is coming out later today, a number which shows that we have more oil supply glut building, or we already have an excessive supply, may likely to push the prices to the downside. Earlier today, we have done a technical analysis on gold prices and oil prices as well, so do have a look on that. Please remember to subscribe and smash that like button, of course, if you like the content. Otherwise, I'll see you guys same place, same time tomorrow. Thank you for watching.